Hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from the UK. I've had bad teeth for years and years. I didn't realise how bad they were until I kept looking at pictures. So I decided to come and get a full mouth of zirconium crowns. I've had 20 fitted in total. My experience with Dentafly has been amazing from start to finish, from making the initial inquiries with Alex and my coordinator. Any question has been dealt with quickly, efficiently. I came to the clinic, I've travelled out here on my own. I was a little bit nervous, but from the minute I stepped into the clinic, I was made to feel welcome. Everyone around me, they've got great expertise. I've met some lovely patients as well. It's just been a buzzing atmosphere. I'm thrilled to bits with my new smile. I'm going to be smiling at everyone.
Did you feel any pain during your treatment?
No, nothing at all. There were times it was a little bit uncomfortable, but no pain. And that was something I was worried about, but everything went well.
Okay. Would you recommend Dentafly to your friends or family?
Absolutely. Life is too short. Don't suffer. Don't walk around uncomfortable with your smile, with your teeth. Just go. You won't regret it. So thank you very much, Dentafly.